Hello guys. So I was hoping for like a better uh, first video for my YouTube channel, but just a very like I'll just a certain kind of a news that I started with that Reliance Digital has been cancelling some pre-orders, and it's really disappointing considering that I had pre-ordered it right at 12:5, and they took, it's okay to maybe put it out of stock like how Amazon and Flipkart had done. It's okay to maybe make my pin code unserviceable because I live in a maybe a tier 2 city, Siliguri, which is a like it's not as big as a metro like Calcutta or Delhi or Mumbai. So maybe they're allocating it to the metro cities right now, but they should have unserviced my pin code. Instead, they confirmed the order and then they cancelled it, and that really cost me my pre-order window. I could have ordered at Sony Center, and uh, it's like I am smiling, but it's really disappointing to see that just waking up right early in the morning at 6 and seeing this news is very disheartening. But it's okay; it's just a console at the end of the day. But I'm sure many people similarly they have lost this opportunity to pre-order the console. So that's why I didn't want to start it as a disappointment my channel, but it's just a certain kind of heads up that if you are ordering it from Reliance Digital, consoles or be it any product that is in huge demand that is being pre-ordered, be very careful, think twice, because I think they did the same for the Xbox. They had kept the uh, window open, the pre-order window open, and then they started canceling it. So you lose that opportunity to get your hands on the first thing that comes out, the first few that the products that come out, and it's very disheartening to just wake up and come across this news. Another thing I would request you all, those who have been losing the pre-orders to Reliance, is that if you can just write an email, because we have a consumer rights advantage over this. They took 50,000 rupees at one go. They confirmed the order, they made me lose my pre-order window, and then they cancelled it. So at least write them an email that if they can compensate it in some way. Compensation won't do any justice to what that the whole thing, the whole frustration is about, but at least it should go to the higher management that they should not do this. And yeah, so some words from my best friend here, who's been, I've been waiting for the PS5s for like since it came out. It's the only console that I have really waited for so badly. And this has been my best friend here, Karishma. She's been part of this journey of me waiting and listening to me keeping on rant about how badly I want it. And finally, I ordered it, and yeah, she'll say some words. Say, Karishma.
Hello, hi everyone. I would not go for compensation in this case, to be honest, because knowing that, knowing the journey that I had with him for waiting for PS5 for so long, and then being on being on time at 12 sharp, booking it through Reliance Digital, giving whole trust to only one company than the other one, because my family has been also trusting Reliance since the beginning, and
We get
we've
so
been
many products from Reliance Digital
true,
always,
true.
and
We've been
it's
ordering things, and I think Reliance Digital has been number one so far. And I'm sure that they are going to prove that they are number one by responding to us to this particular mistake and helping us out by returning to what we have ordered, by giving us what he has ordered and giving him the PS5, by gifting a PS5 to him. And I want full support from everyone. Comments, likes, give as much you can. Do share your stories, your views about about your journey, what you had. If you face the same problems, do share below, and so that we get full support, and will be heard from them, and we'll get something, at least an acknowledgement that yes, our queries and the things will be sorted soon. And Yes, I wish you all the best. Do not be sad. You will get your things back, I am sure. And yes, that's it.
So I'll speak more about it. Just wanted to share this news, that Reliance Digital is cancelling orders. Don't forget to comment. Uh, so basically, like, I am opening a gaming channel very soon. Like, and this is the channel that I am, thinking of streaming games, and I was thinking of beginning it with my delivery of the PS5, but this is such a huge thing. They have done it for the Xbox, they are doing it for the PS5, so I just thought I'll begin it with this news. I love Reliance. I love the work Mukesh Ambani is doing with Reliance. I have a Geo Fiber connection. I have so many products that I've got from Reliance Digital. But being such a big brand, this is something not acceptable. So, anyways, just show me some support if you can. Like and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming next when I get my PS5. I'll definitely be getting it. So maybe my next video will be that, and or maybe I'll just talk about something general related to games or tech in the meanwhile. So that's it. Thank you.